Hi folks, and welcome to In the Kitchen with Pete. It's a simple and fast one today. We're making homemade pesto. Got some nice fresh basil, 2 cups of it. Let's get right at it. In a blender, 2 cups of fresh basil. And we've got 1/3 of a cup of roasted walnuts. Pine nuts are fine to use as well, and to roast them, simply put them in a skillet, medium heat, roll them around for about 5 minutes. You'll start to smell them. Done. 1/3 a cup of nuts, walnuts. And then we have 2 cloves of garlic that I've minced up. My fresh garlic from our garden. It's beautiful. Next, Parmigiana-Reggiano. I can never say that perfectly, but you know what I mean. 1/2 a cup of that, grated. And then we're going to put a pinch of kosher salt. You can always add more later. And then a couple wedges of lemon, just to freshen that up. A little fresh grated pepper. And now it's 1/2 a cup of olive oil. Simple. I'm going to mix that up and we'll add the olive oil slowly. On high. Let's take a look. See if there's any large pieces that have come up to the top. Yeah, there's a few. We're just about there. And that's it. It's as simple as that. Let's give it a taste. Oh man. There's so many uses for pesto. Rather than using a red sauce on a pizza, use pesto. Goes great on noodles, great in sauces. You can make a vinaigrette with it for a salad dressing. Just add some pesto. Great on a sandwich. Anyways, it's that simple. If you've got basil and garlic, get at it. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching In the Kitchen with Pete. Until next time, see ya. Living life the way I do. Well, if you don't love me, baby, please don't pretend you do.